Welcome to Pyrography Made Easy. In this video, I'm going to explain the difference between the detail and the heavy-duty side of the Colwood Super Pro II. First off, the detail side has thinner wire than the heavy-duty side. The detail side has a 16 gauge wire versus the 14 gauge used on the heavy-duty side. The thicker wire on the heavy-duty side allows more power to the handset, so you get a darker burn result. So let me show you this. We will start with the detail side. I have the burner set at 3, and I'm letting the pen heat up for 20 seconds before I use it. I'm getting a medium to dark tan burn result using the detail side of the burner. Now I'm going to switch the handset over to the heavy-duty side and repeat this process. The heat setting stays at 3, and again I'm letting the pen heat up for 20 seconds. Look at how dark the burn results are on the heavy-duty side. There is even smoke coming from the burn. Let's repeat the demo, but this time the heat is set to 5, and I'm using my largest shader. We will start with the heavy-duty side. I'm getting a dark burn result with a touch of smoke on the heavy-duty side. Now I will put the handset on the detail side and let it warm up for 20 seconds. The heat remains at 5. As you can see, I am getting a light-colored burn result. I've turned the heat up to 6 on the burner, and I'm waiting 20 seconds for the pen tip to heat up. As you can see, I am getting a much darker burn result. After the first couple of burn marks, there wasn't any more smoke, and the color is getting a touch lighter. Let's do this one more time, but this time I've turned the heat on the burner to 7. Now I'm getting a really dark burn result, and there is smoke coming from all of the burns. What you cannot see is that the cord is draped across my arm and it feels hot. I didn't have that sensation on the heavy-duty side. To summarize, the heavy-duty side gives you a darker burn result, and the handset doesn't heat up as much. When do I use the heavy-duty side? My default setup with my burner is to have a shader on the detail side and a writer pen tip on the heavy-duty side. This way I can easily switch between the two. The other times I use the heavy-duty side is when I am burning large dark areas like backgrounds. The heavy-duty side allows me to use my large shader at a much lower temperature setting compared to the detail side. In fact, anytime I am using my large shader, I am using the heavy-duty side of the burner because this shader requires more power or a higher heat setting to run. Well, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next week.